If you can hang a picture, you can hang your mini blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All mini blinds have the same basic parts: the blind, valance, wand, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an inside mount mini blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. Place the brackets in the top corners of the window frame. Use a pencil or marker to mark the locations for each screw. Pre-drill the holes and screw the brackets into place. Now, attach your valance clips to the headrail. It is much easier to do this before installing the headrail. Then, slide the headrail into the brackets like this and close the hinges. Now it's time to attach the wand. To do so, pull the hook sleeve up on the tilt mechanism, then hook the wand onto the exposed loop. Slide the hook sleeve over the connection so that the wand cannot slip off. Next, you'll need to attach the valance slats. Align the valance slats over the hooks. Lightly set the slat into each hook securely. If you need to remove your blinds, simply remove the valance slats and the wand. Then, open the hinges on the brackets using a flathead screwdriver. Slide the headrail out from the brackets, and you're done. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new mini blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.